How to update Aula F75 keyboard or its firmware. So you can just do this by going back to the website and reinstalling the system itself. So however you downloaded it in the first place, you can just go ahead and uninstall that and then just download it again. So in your preferred browser, just go ahead and search for something like this, which is download Aula firmware or anything similar to this. Just go ahead and choose the aula.ph or whatever that comes to you, as long as it's Aula, the Aula website. In our case, it's going to be here in its ph. Now in the website, we're gonna go ahead in your downloads over here. So go ahead and press on downloads and then choose your device. In our case, it's going to be the Aula F75. So we're gonna go to the keyboards over here and look for the specific model. Now it should be over here in the top left since it's one of the most used ones. So go ahead to the Aula F75 mechanical keyboard option and then just go ahead and press on download. Once it's finished downloading, it should just directly pop out in your downloads. You can go ahead and open that up, and if it's a zip file, you can go ahead and extract that. Now it just finished just now actually. You can go ahead and press on open file over here, and then we can go back to the file itself, right click on that, and then press on extract all. Choose wherever you want it to be extracted, and then just go ahead and press on extract. Now you can go ahead and open your Aula F75 setup and then just follow up with the process. Just go ahead and press on allow, press on yes, and then just finish the setup right here. But once you're done with the installation, you should be done with the little setup for your Aula F75 mechanical keyboard. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.